At Phillips Safety, we take great pride in providing you with high-quality welding lenses for all applications. Our green and gold lenses are made with premium European glass and the highest optical quality materials available. They're available in small, large, and circular sizes and offer shade levels between 4 and 14. For reduced eye strain and better clarity, we also offer our green lenses in a 24-karat gold-coated variant. If you require sodium flare or yellow-orange light reduction, we have 3 filters that are perfect for the task. The Allo Weld lens is our flagship lens variant, also available in a green or gold coating. Composed of optical quality glass, it helps improve your vision by reducing yellow flares, which often happens during welding procedures. Additionally, we offer 2 drop-in lenses for sodium flare reduction, the Super Blue and the Super Magenta. These lenses work in conjunction with your regular welding lenses to help cut out harmful wavelengths of visible light and enhance visual clarity. If you work in foundries, steelworks, or other types of plants, you might be interested in our Cobalt Blue welding lenses, specifically designed for use in furnace and molten metal observation. Lastly, we offer our magnifying lenses to complete your welding setup. These are available in plastic or glass materials in diopters ranging from 0.75 to 2.5. Phillips Safety has the right welding lenses for your specific application. For more information, visit the welding lenses category on our website at phillips-safety.com.